is nature. My name is Jacqueline Verena Bianca Callista.
I'm Razhcel Panggabean. I'm Ziankha, Aurrellia, Lukita.
I'm Rohiman Syahbani.
What they're looking at?
Look guys, I'm really worried about environment this day. Climate change is getting worse and many ecosystems are already damaged. For example, forests are disappearing and wildlife is losing their homes.
I feel the same way. Before this, I had read an article about pollution and climate change. It explained how human activities damage animal research. And honestly, it made me realize how serious the problem is.
Yes, pollution is everywhere. Rivers are dirty, the air polluted, and forests are being cut down. We are many people, we don't care, and only a few people really do try to protect nature.
That's true. Wildlife is suffering the most. Many animals are endangered because their habits are destroyed. If people had prioritized forests earlier, many animals would not have lost their homes.
Sometimes I feel sad when I see these conditions, but I also motivated to do some things. I believe we should start from small actions like not littering and saving water.
Exactly. Small action may look simple, but they are very important. Climate change affects everyone. Floods, drought, and extreme weather happen more often now. Nature is clearly reacting to human behavior.
In our neighborhood, water pollution is a serious problem. People throw trash into the river without thinking. If people had not done that, the water would still be clean and safe to use.
That's why education is important. People need to understand why conservation is necessary. When they know the impact of their action, they may start changing their habits.
I agree. In the future, I will join environment activities such as tree planting and clean-up programs. Protecting ecosystem is important to keep nature balanced.
That's a great point. We should also reduce plastic use and recycling more. Natural resources are limited, and we must use them wisely.
Our community is going to organize a clean-up activity next month. We will clean the river and the surrounding area. We hope this activity will reduce pollution and inspire others.
I'm really happy to hear that. Even though the situation is serious, I still feel hopeful because people are starting to care more about the environment.
Yes, hope is important. If humans had continued ignoring nature, the damage have been much worse. Luckily, we still have time to fix our mistakes.
I believe that protecting nature is our responsibility. We cannot wait for others. We must start from ourselves and become a good example.
I agree if everyone use their part, even small action can create a big change. Nature can recover if we treat it with respect.
So let's make a promise today. We will protect the environment, care about wildlife, and use natural research wisely.
Yes, let's do that. By protecting nature, we are also protecting our future and the next generation.
Together, we can make a difference. Let's start now and keep caring for nature every day.
Protecting nature means protecting our future. Let's take action now!